Hello friends, I am Deepanshi Sharma. Welcome to my YouTube channel Genius Deepanshi and I hope you are doing well. Today I will discuss this pattern. This is a column-wise and reverse writing a triangle pattern, and in this pattern in each columns 1 and 0 numbers are repeated in an alternative way. So we used nested for loop to understand this pattern. Firstly we create outer for loop, and in this outer for loop we take 5 as lower limit, 0 as upper limit, and -1 as the step value. And inside this outer for loop we create another for loop that is called inner for loop, and in this inner for loop we take 1 as lower limit and I plus 1 as upper limit. And inside this inner for loop we print the inner loop variable that is j mod 2, and modulo operator always return the remainder. And outside this inner for loop we used empty point function for cursor to the next line. When completing each row, cursor will move to the next line. So when you execute this program there is no errors. The accurate output is shown as below if you move inner loop from 1 to I plus 1. So I hope you understand, and if you have any clarity, any query, any questions regarding this pattern, you can ask me, because this is the easiest and efficient way to build up this pattern program. And if you have any concern related about pattern programming, you can text me in the comment section, बिकॉज इस प्रोग्राम में आपका नेस्टेड फॉर लूप का यूज़ हुआ है, जिसमें आपने आउटर लूप को स्टार्ट किया है 5 से, यह आपका जाएगा 5 4 3 2 1, और आपका जो इनर लूप है वो आपका स्टार्ट हुआ है यहाँ पे 1 से I plus 1 तक. तो यहाँ पे जो आपका इनर लूप है वो डिपेंड कर रहा है उसकी अपर लिमिट आपके आउटर लूप पे. सो आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड, एंड इसी तरीके से आप आगे बढ़ते रहिए. लाइक, शेयर and subscribe our channel Genius Deepanshi, and thank you for watching and have a great day. And in my upcoming video I will start Django playlist from scratch that is totally for beginners. So stay tuned.